Everybody, today I'll be doing the fire alarm test. So right here I have my the Simplex pull station. Not Simplex Potter pull station, I believe. But this one doesn't do anything, but if I open up the pull station, it will key activate itself. Never heard of that. So let's say if at the Boca Mall and you pull that fire alarm for fun, never do that. But for now, let's system test. So as you can see, I have the fire alarm set up in my closet, or set my fire alarm room. Let's begin let's begin the test. So right here I have my Potter pull station. I see I took the dual action handle out, but it's lost and I can't find it. But I can make it single action, whatever I want. And up here I have my system sensor SPSW, and I have to get the screwdriver to look at the inside of it. Okay, to take this out, take it out. Do I see it? Wire to the junction box, do it. Okay. And we look at the model number. And we look at the model number. The model number is SPSW and is made by System Sensor. You can see this is a really loud speaker. It's white, as you can see. It's a white fire alarm. And I have the watts into 70 watts. And this one is in I think it was 2 watts, and this one's 7 watts. And this one is watt. So as you can see, I have the candela right now. It's on 110. Of course, you're not gonna see it. Let me go ahead and snap this in all the way, and then you twist this on like that. There you go. All right. Of course, I need the battery for it. Hold on. All right. Right now, I have the message set on to Simplex 4003 EC fire message, and this is very loud, of course. So let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Here we go. Pull. Okay, here we go. Pull down. Oh, God. I'm confused that the strobe is not going. Hold on, let me go ahead and reset the pull station again. Let me go ahead and do this again. Where's the lights? Reset the light. Let me go ahead and reset it. My Hess Ranch. So basically, as you can see, you can't lift it up. You just pull down. As you can see, now the fire alarm has been shut off for a minute, and as you can see, the strobe is silenced and it's off, and yeah. All right, I'll be going ahead and pull another fire alarm and see what will happen next. Hold on. Here we go. Oh, okay, the strobe is out of function right now. But we're going with it. But I need the silence. There you go. There you go. Now I can't believe the fire alarm doesn't work. Really confusing. So, yeah. But, whew. Yep. I think it's almost done. But I put the computer away first. And I'm done with the system test right now. So, the system's done and all shut ahead. So, that's it of the fire alarm room section. Thumbs up.